Ooh, FragWatch here. Crispy one today. Gonna be unboxing G-Wovles mice. Which one should I start with? Can't flip them over. My address is on the other side. I'm gonna do this carefully. Let's start with this one. Start with this one. Move this over. Move this off, yeah? Okay. Get this bad boy out. Okay. Make sure there's nothing else in there. Move it out without showing my address. Whee! So all G-Wovles mice come with these clay things that you can mold on to like custom fit to your hand. Pretty cool. And when the mouse is not in use, place in the bag. This can effectively prevent dust and moisture. This is a new addition. Oh, this is the VUK. Okay. This is the VUK. What the fuck? You get a sleeve. Sometimes they have a sleeve with them. It's the other thing. Let's knife this. Okay, that's some tough plastic. Need to sharpen that boy. Alright. Some G-Wovles action going on there. Alright, you can hear rumbling around. Nice. They got that holographic effect. G-Wovles and G-Sevlo. What the fuck does that mean? Somebody tell me in the comments what that means. My box is scratched to hell. Wow, what's going on there? Okay. Oh, there we go. Oh boy, the tension on that. I hope this doesn't pop out. There we go. Grips. Take that out. Our little pamphlet boy here. Accessories cannot be returned or exchanged after being used. Okay. Move that out of the way. Good grips. Look at how many grips come with that. That's crazy. That is a lot of grips. Okay, we got foamy boys. I think that's for the like remounting the battery maybe. We got skates, full size, kind of. We got two different types of skates. We've got this is to cover the bottom of it. Another one. We got some. Are these supposed to be skates? 0.1 millimeter and 0.15 millimeter skates? These are like paper thin. All right, let's see the mouse. Maybe this will make more sense when the mouse is up there. We got a silica packet. They're really obsessed with keeping things dry. Okay. Little case. G-Wovles. Oh, there we go. Comes with all a nice little wolf there. Oh, it's like hidden down there. I was like, oh shit, I didn't get a mouse. We have one cord. We have two cord with the dongle. That's the part I want. Oh man, it's the same color as like all their other dongles. Okay, I guess. I mean, you guys need to like put something on your dongle so I can differentiate. Being a fanboy of G-Wovles here. My God. Okay. All right. Little felt package here. Sealed, but it's not sealed. There's no stickiness on the sticker. Okay. All right. It seems like another skate should go there. I guess this is probably for like fingertip grip. Look at how I'm gripping it naturally already. What the fuck are these skates? And that's creamy. Not bad. This is the VUK. Okay. Get all this shit out of the way. Unbox the other one. Leave this out. Leave this out. We might... Yeah, let's leave that. Yeah. No, I'm going to put that back in the box. I don't think I'm going to need grips on that either. It's pretty grippy. All this shit back in this. Then we'll do the other one. I think I'll just do them both in one video. I'm lazy. I don't want to hit the record button twice. You know what I mean? I understand that. Oh, okay, I guess I should just put some of the stuff in this. Yeah? FragWatch, what are you doing? Get your brain on. Let's get this other boy out. Get the other one out. Let's get this raw M off my desk. That's the raw M. No, that's the Inca. I already did. How about that? Okay. It's in there. Let's get these clay things out. This thing is not moving. Another sleeve, more clay. Can you just reduce the cost of your shit by like $30 and not give us all this extra shit? G-Wovles. I have like 20 of these. Or have the option. Just the HTM Plus. Cool box. This stuff out of the way. Might as well just start reselling my sleeves. I have like thousands of them. And by thousands, I mean I think I have 10 of them, 12. I don't know. Probably have 50 of these packets of molding clay or whatever. Okay. Cool box. You got a wolf. It's so scratched. Like, look at all the scratches. Ugh. Battle scene. Okay. Let's open her up. Lots of jiggles in there. Let's hope it's not broken. What's this? Skates. What? I wonder if the other box had 2 pairs of skates. Due to delayed shipment, an additional gift will be given. Okay, thanks, G-Wovles. Back in the box. Back in the box. Back in the box. More trash. Oh, it's the zipper rattling against the box. Gotcha. Okay. Here we go, boys. Girls. We just got the same shit, okay? I'm not going to put you through that. It's the same stuff. I do need to get skates out just in case. More of these, like, ultra-thin dot skates. Does this one... Oh, I'm glad I did this, because it doesn't come with full-size skates. Maybe they're in the thing. Okay. Man, usually I'm excited about G-Wovles mice, but this is just like... Okay, so we got... Here we go. The skates are inside this one. Those are really bizarre. Okay. Got the dongle. Yes, different color. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you for giving me a different color dongle. Yes. My complaints were answered. My prayers, G-Wovles answered before you bitch about it too much. It's an unboxing. I was about to take it out without having it on screen. Wow, that's a long boy. I like them long. Whatever. Okay. I have construction going on in the background. Sorry about all the noise. Kind of. Not really. Sounds like I have like somebody trying to play the horn, just screwing it up the whole time. Look at those skate, like, oh my god, look at all that. Oh, dude, look at the hair. Look at the fucking hair on my mouse. It's black hair. I don't have any black hair. Oh, like, what? The fuck, for real? You see that? Oh, it's on the back, too. Ew. Oh, it's under the skate. Oh, my God. I hope that's just, like, fibers from the fucking packaging. These are, like, human hairs. That's disgusting. At least, like, when I pulled it out, it didn't, like, gush oils like that. What was that, the Final Mouse? Ugh. That was nasty. Ooh. Whoa, my. Holy shit. Oh, I am really excited for this. Oh my god. This is the HTM Plus, I believe. What the fuck is this? HTM Plus. Got the VUK, the VUK first. No, this is the HTM Plus. Damn, this one feels really nice. This feels okay. This feels not great. This is like, oh my god. This feels like that. This just feels at home. This is nice. All right. Well, the unboxing there. Oh, fuck's my veneer. Another G-Wovles classic. Look at that. Like a dad and his son. We should get like a Titleist golf ball, put it out there. Whole family. Yeah? Okay, nah. That's funny. That's funny, FragWatch. Thanks, guys. All right, take it easy. Much love.